Alright, so naglabas pala yung boyfriend ko ng music video, man. Ay, si Stel, pre. So naglabas siya ng music video 19 hours ago. God damn. So, dahil akin nga si Stel, dahil wala mga kaagaw boy. De, joke lang. So, it's freaking crazy. No pun intended. That he has released a solo song, a music video, ha? At dahil doon, we're here very early. Pero ba't alam ko madami na nakagawa ng reaction video for this shit. But, syempre ako yung special kasi akin yan boy eh. Kaya, so wala lang patumpik-tumpik pa. Let's check my biases solo song, which is entitled Crazy. Not gonna lie, he is freaking handsome in the thumbnail, but ang ingay ng Cebu Pacific, pre. Intro pa lang, wala na. He looks freaking hot in the thumbnail, but the thumbnail kinda looks plain. Simple. Alright, let's see the content of this. Let's do it. Under 1Z Entertainment, bro. What's this about? Ooh, okay.
Think that I found when you come around. I don't wanna sleep.
Okay. That caught me freaking off guard, bruh. Hindi ko in-expect na parang slow siya. Anong genre to? Parang ballad ng dating. Parang slow rock. I thought it's gonna be pop na parang, di ba may pa cliffhanger na boom, 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 boom. Alam ko may papasok na beat na ganon. Okay, so okay, different vibe. I thought it's gonna be crazy. Okay? Ooh, okay. Iba yung in-expect ko sa lumabas. Kinda like it.
Lately, I think that I found when you come around. I don't wanna sleep. If I close my eyes, I'm missing out.
Ooh!
I'm sipping caffeine.
What did you say? You don't have caption, so alright.
I'm sipping caffeine.
I'm sipping caffeine. Okay.
But just one look at me, I feel higher than every cloud. Oh, I think I'm crazy for you.
This is a very still-coded song, man. Another hard-ass song to sing. Isa na ng mga kanta na hindi na naman makakanta sa video ko ito. Saka karaoke, by the way. Wala na naman. Pumasok na naman yung mga high notes. Let's go.
I think I'm crazy for you. I think I love you just a bit. I think
This is what I've been thinking about. Ito yun. Ito nga yung vibe na hinahanap ko. I like it, man. Son Chino to sa New York, US, pare. Very nice. Actually, the vibe of the song, I already like it. Gusto kong sabihin na bias talaga ako kahit ano pa yan gugustuhin ko, but walang bias. I like the mood, the vibe of the song, tsaka yung beat.
could get used to this. Don't keep me waiting to say it. I'm crazy for you. I think I'm dying for your kiss. I swear I've never felt like this.
Ang random, ano yung bigyan ng hotdog?
Don't keep me waiting to say it. I'm crazy for you.
By the way, itong hotdog na to binili din sa sidewalk sa New York, and it costs a lot of money to buy this kind of hot dog. It's plain as shit, but it is expensive. Wala man lang coleslaw, wala man lang kahit anong mga gulay-gulay, mahal yan doon. Can't relate though. Nakikita ko sa movies, di ba? It's about $12. Damn! $12 and you're giving me a bun and a singular hot dog. No thanks. Why is his nose bleeding right here, man? Buti pa sa ilong na may ketchup, sa hot dog wala.
Been waiting to say it, I'm crazy for you. Hoping you'll feel the same, or I'll bury it deep and save my love for
Ano ba yan? Justin reference ba yan? Yung sunflower? Joke.
another day. I'll push it aside.
What? May crazy na nakalagay sa station? That's crazy. Okay?
But this love don't come easy, and there's no way you don't feel the fire. I think I'm crazy for
Not gonna lie, simple lang yung concept ng MV, no? But I feel like ano siya eh, alam mo yung ang ganda ng pagkagawa niya. Simple siya, pero hindi mo makikitang simple yung idea. I like it. Ano siya, simply crazy. Ang corny, pero ang ganda, hindi siya yung parang empty. Hindi na siya boring. Magaling-magaling pa rin kahit halatang low budget yung MV, no? Hindi naman, alam mo, hindi na, binigyan ng ano talaga, yung bonggahan talaga, talagang simple lang siya, pero maganda siyang tignan. In relation to the song, to the vibe of the song. Pero, mahal na din siya kasi sa ibang bansa siya sinot, di ba?
you know I'm crazy for you. I think I love you just a bit. I think I could get used to this.
What? There's another style.
Don't keep me waiting to say it. I'm
Yeah. Hindi ko, actually, hindi ko in-expect na isang style yun. What does this mean? He's crazy about himself. Oh, he loves himself so much. Is that it?
crazy for you. I think I'm dying for your kiss. I swear I've never felt like this.
Old Navy, baka naman. This is style, oh. Isang sponsorship lang. Old Navy, shoutouts.
Don't keep me waiting to say it. I'm crazy for you.
I don't know if this is edited. Kasi, I just know na kaya naman natin lang gawin to na mapastil yung mga mukha nila sa billboard sa LA or sa New York, wherever it is, no? Damn!
Oh, baby, I'm down.
What I see in this picture is that he's crazily in love with somebody and it's starting to hurt na dumudugo to the point na you can see the evidence on his face. Pero dahil baliw na baliw nga siya, hindi niya na nararamdaman yung sakit. Manhid na siya sa sakit. Dang! We got a deeper meaning out of this. It's crazy!
Oh,
Hindi ako nagkamali. Sabi ko, buti pa sa ilong may ketchup. Nilagay niya. He's eating his own DNA. That's crazy.
I think that I found when you come around. I
Nasunog
don't
mo
wanna
yung ano.
sleep. If I close my eyes, I miss.
Ganito gumawa ng simple lang na MV, man. Hindi siya parang project sa school. Di ba? Merong ganun, simple lang. Binibidyo-video lang na naglalakad-lakad and shit. Tapos ang corny pa, ang ano pa, wala pa ng art. Dito, you can see a lot of things happening. Talagang inisipan din talaga kung paano siya pagagandahin in a very artistic way, which I appreciate. Being just a simple music video, still nice. But the actual song is really, really good.
Send out.
Ano yung end?
I'm missing out.
Not bad. Not bad, yo. Nice, man. Ang ganda. You know what? Ang masasabi ko, I really want to see this in person, live. Kasi ang ganda niyang kanta for a concert. 'Di ba? Manifesting a style concert. Baka lang. But nevertheless, this is a nice music video. A simple one, by the way. Nothing crazy. But the music video is simple. The song is wonderful. I really like the vibe. Yung flow niya, especially the notes, man. Ang galing. I can say that Styles maybe the best male singer today. Arguably one of the best, arguably the best singer in today's time. That's why it's evident sa kanta na maganda talaga yung boses niya, and I'm so happy that he gets to play with the song a little bit more dito sa bago niyang single. And looking forward for more Stel. Don't just give us one MV. Don't just give us one song. I-release mo na yan. Because we're manifesting a Stel concert. Alright, so this is a very nice MV. Very, very nice. Sa mga berries dyan, subscribe, 18. Alright, so see you again to the next one. Stel, very nice. Subscribe to the channel. As we curve space and new masters of Ben. I mean,